remain seated. So it looks like all our volunteers are ready this afternoon. Then off goes Patina. And off goes Vega. Beautiful flies by Vega and Patina, everybody. Well, next, these two birds are gonna fly from different ends this time and try to cross that center hook at the same time. So keep your cameras right there, because if you're lucky, you might just get two birds in one hook at the same time. So once again, volunteers, are you ready? Patina, ready? Ready, go! Whoa. Hang on a bit. No! Yeah, they did a sort of a U-turn there. But can we try this again? I don't think I heard you guys. Can we try this again? Much better. One more time. Patina, ready? Go! Yeah, I think they really like the U-turn. Now, I know why. Center volunteer! You're not smiling. Yeah, keep that nice smile of yours. Keep your hands straight, all the way straight. All the way straight, there you go, okay? Keep it high, there you go. That's very, very important. So one more time, keep your fingers crossed. We're gonna do this at the same time. So Patina, are you ready? Ready, go!